folks. This is F-Bombs and Flying Wrenches today. I'm your host, Jeff. Today, we gotta move some parts around. I already moved one of those 10 bolts out of my square body over here. I gotta move a semi-floater 14 bolt out too. You guys get to watch that. Then we're gonna take the hubs off that 10 bolt and stick them on my square because one of my square's hubs is seized up and I need a reliable vehicle for winter. I just blew the forward clutch pack out of my Camaro and I'm not too joyed about that, but we'll fix it. It's just another thing. Cars are cars, they're machines. They're gonna break, you fix them. That's how it works. Well, I guess let's get started. Grab this around here. And I don't know, hook it here somewhere. Well, how sketch was that? Go ahead and let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments section, huh? Now I gotta push it downhill all by myself. Come on. for a little entertainment. Well, folks, I thought I'd go ahead and do a project truck update too. We got our 4L80 here, and we got our MP205 transfer case. 72 sitting right behind you with a Dana 60 and a 14 bolt sitting in the back. We changed plans from doing the leaf spring. We're going to be doing 4-link setup on each axle. We're going to try to triangulate them since we have so much room to work with this truck. We're going to do coilovers so it rides nice and smooth down bumpy roads, but you'll still be able to hold a ton. And we're going to do leaf spring overrides in the back. Bolt on and off so it can tow more weight. Alright, folks. So, got all the heavy shit moved. Now I gotta get this hub off. Damages on it. I got the 6 screws out. I beat it off with my glove, my hammer. Ooh. Yeah. That doesn't look healthy. Just goes to show you nothing's ever a problem until you go to fix it. Here you got your snap ring. Off there. Thank you. Who's that? There we go. A little snap ring. Get out of there. Yep. Yep. Come here. Come now. Come on. I understand, but I want you out. There you go. All part of you. Pocket ring seems okay. Dirty ass cocksucker. Thank you. Holy shit. Where's my spindle nut? Crusty as crusty can be. Whew. That's nasty. Nasty. Alright, gloves. I'm gonna wash this dirty. No wonder this thing didn't engage in 4-wheel drive all the way. Alrighty. Oh. Alrighty, folks. Oh, got the hub apart. Looks like some of it's a little bit stripped apart, but not a lot. I'm just gonna throw those new hubs on tomorrow. Cover this up with a Walmart bag so it doesn't get dirty tonight. But yeah, that's basically how my days go. Go ahead and leave a comment, like, subscribe. Anything you'd like to see next, and I'll work on it. This is F-Bombs and Flying Wrenches. You guys have a good night now.